motorista Tonto Manon, alas 5:25 na. Bata na mag-order.
What? What, boy?
Tita Karen, you're there.
If we stop, we're there na.
F-U-N.
What is that?
F-U-N.
It means?
Fun. Yes, it's so fun in a beach. And Mama, let's build another water slide. Go to water slide, the green one.
Okay.
We need that.
Mm-mm.
Can I help you, Papa? Can I go for Mama? And this is for Papa. And this is for Ramsel.
Give to me.
And for the Ilya.
How about you?
Minum water yan.
One by one. Thank you, Ramsel.
Ano ko no?
Uy, it's bad, it's lemon. How do you put this thing on? Wow. Bigger. Thank you.
3 more.
How does this thing work? One little thing.
Thank
Pinansa na
you.
tayo. Tignan na. Why would you wear it if you put it on? Orange.
For Mama. Get one more for Mama.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's the exact same in the picture. Yeah, because it is the exact same island. No, it's
Thank you,
not.
anak.
Kanya kaya ng motor, oh. Kaya mo bayad ng motor. Ay.
Hi, ba?
Pagkain ang Look City.
Babayad mo city. Babayad mo.
I don't like my face. What? I just hide here.
See? CBC.
Where are you going?
Kita na ako sa nakikita na ako.
Switch the camera. Switch the camera. Look over there. Switch it. We're going to the island. Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh, natin na yan.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Where are you going? Into there. Can you see that? Oh my god. Can I try too? No, my mom.
Bali, banana po. Kumanda sa banana po to?
Ah! This is called a kayak.
No, the banana boat there.
Mama! Mama! We have a spare boat. We have a spare boat.
Appa your pants.
Swim.
Appa lagi your pants so that you can come. Come on, let's go na.
This that.
The what?
You know the fish, right? I squeezed it.
You were able to touch it?
Can you hold this?
Oh.
You didn't bring it, did you?
You can do it. You can do it. Go, go, Ramsa, go.
Escape.
Come on, I'll pull your hands.
Pasag diya pa?
Killed it.
Yo, you can do it.
It's in the water.
Oh, see? Easy.
Hello, France. It's Boracay.
Hindi mabalot. Hindi mo pa yung magkaya. Masakit ha.
I'm gonna go make the ultimate one.
Udto na.
You make the mountain kay Kuya Andre will make the ultimate ano daw ko no, island. Make it high, make it high.
We should make it bigger. I'm gonna experiment. Make it bigger one.
It will go down and down and down and down. Oh, wait ka. Bakit para? Kuya Andre will make the biggest one. Wait mo using 1.5 liter of water.
I saw this on TikTok, so I wanted to try it.
No, no. Wait ka pa.
Ano? Wala, grabe man doon kakukuan.
Okay, let's just try to
Atensyon
see
sa
how much.
pasahero sa Indy Aquiles,
Wait, one more.
sa grupo ni Judy Ann Lopez, Pantacloban, May Ann Lado, from Cebu, and Leandro Jose Oy, from Cebu. Palihog ko sir, ma'am, ay na mo sa daking area, kay naana ang bangka.
Pen.
Usbog ko sa pasahero sa Indy Aquiles,
I don't
sa
think
grupo ni Judy Ann Lopez, Pantacloban, May Ann Lado, from Cebu, and Leandro Jose Oy, from Cebu. Palihog ko, ari na sa daking area, kay naana ang bangka. Dagang salamat.
Rema, price yours.
Ate Cindy, look! Ate Cindy, look! Andrea, look what we made!
Andre, ito.
A flower pot!
Oh.
Atensyon sa pasahero sa Indy San Pedro, sa grupo ni... Ano ba niyo? Ayra? Ayra, Bagulot, Abag...
Nakarelax na akong likod.
Ken, masakit kanina ba masakit?
Nga da.
Ang pagganita?
Sa imo ko sa care na ba ano ko ano libur sa likod pag
Gusto niya ako nung
Gusto na niya ulo.
Wait for me.
After this swimming, I have to stare in a blank wall for 10 hours.
Let's stare in the sky.
Palihog po sa pasahero si Avio.
Yung shovel na, anak.
Shovel, put first.
What? Lagi kayo ubos na.
The heart.
Tita, look at us, look at us, look at the floor. Look at the floor. You see, look.
Ay, anak, kay ganito man muna. Ayos salat nga yung buhok, Papa.
Dito lang. Nahimot yung full plan. Ano ba kasi refined sun?
Ano man iya?
First ko yan, Ray.
CR.
Man.
Woman.
Female. You bubot there, you bubot, you fit here. You bubot there, there, you bubot here. Like that. Ah, we want, okay, just na. Ah, wait, sana first, we need to dig a little pa. Out first, out.
Out and about. Nag-jibs gadhera.
Ha?
Nag-jibs.
Tuloy na. Yeah, sit down. Hey, Mama, video, mama. Only the head left. Like that. So that it will look like only the head left.
It's Ramses' first time.
Ganun, move.
To be... Oh, the feet! It's still here! It's moving!
Hey,
That's stuck!
hey, good, move. So that it will look like that. Only the head, ano.
It's stuck?
Hey, do that, move. Don't move your hands. Wait,
I don't like the sound. Oh, baby.
wait. Last one. Almost done.
I'm stuck.
Almost done, other side.
I'm stuck.
Oh, there's a... Ayaw, Andre! There's a mountain!
The mountain.
Kaya sa doon, angry face. Angry face. Ah!
Ha?
Puno ko tag 16. Power bank is... Sige, sit down ka mo. Sit down there. Behind Remy. Ramsel, look, open your eyes. Nakaliwat sins.
Ramsel! Ramsel! Hindi naman na-open. Ramsel, open your eyes!
Oh. Did you enjoy? Lie down is better.
Wait. Ay, wait.
Ramsel!
Move pa here. Ah. Your hands Line up, yeah.
Oh, come here, Ramsel. You step on Kuya. Step on Kuya. There, your turn. Step.
Oy.
Wait, you forgot.
Andre,
Come on, some picture na.
Kuya, Tia!
there's a tourist spot.
Hababaw pa yan.
Here's the tourist.
Make it fully deep. Help me. I want your hair.
Come on na. Aria, let's go.
Oh! Come here na.
Last time we did this.
You were still 5 or 6.
My
dida. Sugod lang ka dida, sugod lang dida. Cover my feet, my tongue. Your tongue.
Sit down there beside Kuya.
Sit down, kuya. Sit down, kuya. Kuya kanina, di ba? Sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down.
Uy, sit down yung picture. Dali na.
Anak ko ngayon.
Anak mo yung tinawag niya.
Paliw ko sa pasahero si
No, kuya tiya.
Linda Cabero o
1,
Luke Asalis o
2,
Takliya
3, go!
sa SPB.
Do you see that, guys? It's Boracay.
You step on Ramses Andre's chest.
Let me go.
Kaya mo ako, boy?
Yes. It's fine. It's fine.
Uy, Ramsel.
I don't give me boobs.
Boobs.
Let me breathe. Come here. Do not give me a bra.
And you have panty also.
Let me go.
Kaya pa niya.
Let me go.
Kaya nagigibak pa nga ni. Kaya pa niya. Kaya naroon din niyo. Kabawa pa rin niya.
Hey, baby.
Tita, listen, record this. This is the first time I had no phone for 1 day.
This is the first and never and not the last.
First and the last. I'm never gonna let this happen again.
Wait. You put it here and then I'll stand. Kuya Andre. Sige daw, Dre. Up daw, Dre. Ribang ka man, Dre. Kuya Andre. Sige, go up.
Dahil Joy
Sige, up.
Samsugod,
Sige, up.
Mary Sujana Santo, paliw ko na pwede na sa paguna.
1, 2, 3. Inhale.
Gusto
Exhale.
ko sa pagkakita sa hindi ako.
Keep going. Keep going. I'm stuck. Sipa. Sipa kami. Oh, ah.
Seven o'clock na lang kita. Ate, sakto lang ito 7 o'clock ka lang, charge.
Come on. Andre, let's go.
There.
Where are we going?
There.
Pwede man mo pa eh. Kaya spinuan eh. Kasi nandito kanina.
Ah. Kaya nung direra parehas.
Sito. Ayaw.
What's in there? No, hindi kita go around kita the island.
There.
Tomorrow na, we will. Pura kay lady.
What's that over here? Let's go there. Let's go there. There, Mama, your face to here. Let's go there. You go there. Saw fish here earlier.
Really?
Yeah. A few.
I-turn pa.
Dapat inibutan nga to para dumako pa ya.
Kaya butang to.
Let's go to here. There's people there.
Come on, let's have picture.
Ay, oh, may naman birds.
Bluegrass eh. Yes, this one, not that one. Please also can see the fish.
Ayaw, lagi hirap pagpaswim nga da, kay we are walking.
I like walking on this. Daming isda. Niyan, may nakita iyawon niyan.
Iyaw. Ano daw lang kung nagpreprito, Hira?
Oh, that's fish.
On that side?
Yeah, be careful lagi. Bato-bato. Andre, di kira yung na tray.
Papa Hirimsel! So, ganini nga.
Hey, look, there's a mini pool over there. You see? It's a pool-ish lake. You see? Nakikita mak dito na nakukuha dito ano.
Ay!
Ako, ano nangyayari? Don't tell Andrea. What happened? What happened? Andrea, what happened? You know what happened? Nothing's gonna stop us. Be careful.
Happy to this tree.
Ah! It wasn't the rock, it was the tree. Why did that have to happen to me only? Just me. Nagtatanong ka pa. Pwede ka na yung lumiad nga, di? Maliit ko naman. Hala, grabe. Ang taas ko na. Thank you, Lord. Taas na gagawin ako nga din puno. Wait a minute. It's this.
Found some shells.
Alagad ka Rimsel. Tikang timpag to, slubore ka pa ahon. Ori, lagip ka ko kontento.
Siya talaga sulit. Kung gusto rin yung busong tento.
Oh, look. There's a water there. Ano yung size ko yung dripping down here.
Liwat ni Papa liwat. Liwatan niya. So mo?
Kita rin daw ni ate.
Piso? Ano ba daw? Rosy face? Dila na rosy cheek? Rosy face, pati nose, rosy.
Hina.
Pupuro na pati yun.
Oray nag-sunblock.
Ako gyapon naman. Nagsundak ako.
Is it okay? Tita, is this okay? Is my face okay? Look. Not alive.
Daw, show me daw.
Unique.
The other one pa. There's another one pa. Ay, don't touch that. It's a dangerous shell.
How dangerous.
It's dead.
It's dead.
Come on. Don't touch a red shell. Come here na.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hina. Come here.
Adto man tagiya.
Face to me.
Bye. Umandar dili.
Down. Come here. You don't go.
Let's go. a starfish.
Vincent, look.
Hoy, napilit ba ya ini ano? Hanawong.
If it was pink, it would be Look at him.
Hi, Tira face.
Mama, please, I want shell.
Look, there's a starfish here.
Let's see.
Do not pick it up, ha? Kaya it has to breathe in the water.
You can touch, but don't pick it up.
You touch it, anak. It's not moving. Did you feel it? Do not pick it up. Put it down.
It's dead, actually.
It's not dead.
If it's dead, then, well, there would be little legs.
Hi!
Hey, you're gonna get the phone wet.